Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Hollow Knight Silksong game not launching, crashing, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, low FPS or stuck on black screen issue on PC. So let's go through it. So the first method is to modify launch option. So for that you need to go to Steam. Under library section select your game. Here I have not downloaded the game, so simply follow the steps. After selecting the game, right click on it, click on properties, now click on in general, and here you need to type -dx11, and after that launch the game and see if it works. If not, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this resolves the issue. If not, next is to run game as administrator. For that, go to Steam again. Under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on browse local files, and it will take you to the game folder where it has been installed. Select your game application, right click on it, click on properties, now click on compatibility, and here click on run this program as an administrator and then hit on apply and OK. After that, try to launch the game and see if it works. If not, click on run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 7 or Windows 8. Hit on apply and OK, and then launch the game and see if it resolves the problem. If not, click on disable full screen optimizations and then click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and see if this resolves the problem. Next is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Now click on display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update drivers, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will tell you if there is any update for the drivers. After updating your drivers, now check if the problem is fixed. Nvidia and AMD users, go through the link in the description that I provided and update your graphics card, and after that try to launch the game and see if it resolves the issue. Next is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the search option, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on allow an app or feature, then click on change settings. After that, look for the game if it is listed over here. If not, click on allow another app, then click on browse and go to the game folder where it has been installed, and after that select your game and add it to the list over here. After you add it, now select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. After this, launch the game and see if it helps to fix the issue. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the search option, search for check for updates. It will take you to the Windows update page. Here you need to click on check for updates option and see if any update is available. And after updating your Windows to the latest version, now launch the game and check if it fixes the issue. Next is to clear download cache. For that, go to Steam, then click on Steam option over here, then click on settings. After that, go to downloads, and here go below and click on clear cache option beside clear download cache. After this, launch the game and try to play it if it is working now. If not, next solution is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, now try to launch the game and see if it is working or not. Next solution is to check graphic settings of the game. So when your graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, shadow quality, resolution, reflections or others, then it directly impacts the game. So you are suggested to make sure all graphic settings are properly set up and they are set as low to avoid unwanted issues while playing the game. After this, launch the game and see if it's working or not. Next is to stop overclock CPU or GPU settings. So overclocking makes the CPU or GPU unstable. So you are suggested to check if there is any overclocking of the CPU or GPU in background. If yes, then simply stop them, and after that launch the game and check if it helps to fix the issue. Next is to check for game updates. So if there is any update available for the game, you need to update your game and after that launch the game and see if it works. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, and here you will find the update option. If there is any update available, tap on it, and once the game is updated, now launch the game and see if it helps to fix the issue. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, go to the search option, search for task manager, and after that under process tab, look for those apps that is consuming high resources or is no use. Simply select it. After selecting it, right click on it, click on end task, and this will close the application completely, and after that try to launch the game and see if it fixes the problem. Next is to install Visual C++ file. So for that I have provided the link in the description. Just copy it and paste it in your browser. Go below, and from here you can easily download the Visual C++ files. Once it's downloaded, install it and then launch the game and see if it resolved the problem. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on general. Here enable the Steam overlay while in game option will be enabled, so you simply need to click on it and it will be disabled. So after disabling the overlay option, now check if the problem is fixed. For GeForce Experience, open it, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay option. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay option. Now launch the game and see if it helps to fix the issue. Next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to search bar, search for graphics settings. After that, here you should check if the game is listed. If not, click on add desktop app. Then go to the game folder where it has been installed, select your game and add it to the list. After adding it, search for the game, and after that click on GPU preference and select high performance. After selecting high performance, launch the game and see if it resolves the issue. If not, then final solution is to reinstall the game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then select uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So after this, your game will be uninstalled. Once done, restart your system. After restarting, launch Steam and then reinstall the game once again and then try to launch and see if the problem is resolved or not. So these will surely work to fix Hollow Knight Silksong game not launching, crashing, showing black screen, lagging, freezing or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.